Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about non-ferrous alloys. What is the primary alloying element in brass? A. Zinc. B. Tin. Nickel. D. Aluminum. Lead. Lead. The correct answer is A. Zinc. Which of the following is a non-ferrous alloy? A. Stainless steel. B. Cast iron. C. Bronze. D. High-speed steel. Tool steel. The correct answer is C. Bronze. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. What is the main advantage of aluminum alloys? A. High electrical conductivity. B. Low density. C. High melting point. D. High hardness. E. Magnetic properties. The correct answer is B. Low density. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.